What's your zodiac sign? Plus share a selfie. Hello and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I already added a story with my zodiac sign. I am a Gemini, so I will show you how to do it too. First of all, you have to go out of here, and then you have to go to the search button from the bottom of the page. And then from here, you can either go to this first account or you can go to Ali and John YTT. But if you go to Ali and John, you will find that sticker much more easier. So once you are on this page, you have to click on story trend, which is at highlight. Don't go to my stories because that will expire in 24 hours. So click to story trends at highlight. Then you have to go to the last option, the last story. There you have it. And then you have to click on add yours. So from here, you have to go to your uploads and then select a photo with your zodiac sign, or you can just go to stickers and get from there a photo with your zodiac sign. So I will go to my uploads and take a picture with me. So I will select this photo. This is just an example for you guys. Does not have to be that pretty. And from here you have to go to stickers, and then you have to search here your zodiac sign. I am a Gemini, so I will search for Gemini, and there you have so many stickers, nice and cute. If you are a Scorpio, you have to search for Scorpio, and so on. So here you will find a lot of cute stickers. So after you are happy with it, you just have to click on send to button. From the right bottom corner, click on share button to your story and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.